guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So we're gonna do a vlog this week to show you guys what we're doing throughout the week. Testing my camera out, making sure it works. And somebody wants to say hi, Mila. We missed vlogging, so I just did a video of a wash and go, so I'm about to listen to the hair dryer and let my hair dry. But while I'm doing that, I'm gonna show you guys my oh, somebody else want to say hi. Say hi, Malia.
Hi.
Say hi, Mila.
Hi.
Hi.
Never met Malia.
Hi.
Yeah, they did. We did a whole routine on Malia when she was a baby. No, for Mila.
Yeah, for Mila.
For Malia, we did the routine. I'm gonna show you guys what my fall decorations look like in my home. So first, I'm gonna show you my centerpiece on my island. We went to Hobby Lobby and got all of the pieces to it. With the pumpkins came from Hobby Lobby as well. So that's my centerpiece on my island, besides all the junk that my kids didn't move it. Didn't take care of it. Here's my little sitting area. These don't belong here, but I'm gonna move that over. But I got a little scarecrow. The water bottle doesn't belong there either, but we're gonna leave that there. My grand part that I love the most is my table. And this is the centerpiece that I went with for my table. I have scarecrows, candles, pumpkins, some garland, and then I have some more up here that I put up there. And then also, this is my little board and batten wall that Mike and I created and did. We added some pumpkins into my lantern. And I hope my bedroom was clean. So this is what I did in my bedroom, my little entryway. I added some pumpkins there. Oh, I got this from a baby shower yesterday that I went to. And then my bedroom set, I threw some orange what is that on my conditioner? I threw some orange pillows on here and an orange blanket to tie in my fall in my bedroom. So that's what we did for our fall decoration. All right, so it's still Sunday and my hair is still wet, but we're going to Lowe's. My oldest son got me a planter for my birthday. My birthday was September 14th, and so he got me like a planter for me to plant herbs like cilantro, thyme, basil, all that stuff inside of it. So me and Micah and Nick is going to not Stein's, Lowe's, to go and get that stuff, and then it's time for him to go home. He goes home at 7, so by the time we leave Lowe's, we'll be dropping him back to his mom's house. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys while we're like in Lowe's and stuff, like what I'm gonna buy. This is my first time actually doing this, so I'm kind of nervous but excited at the same time, because I always have to go to the store and buy like basil and stuff, and then it goes bad because I don't use it all. So I'm happy to have my own little garden. So I can be like my mother. She has all of that. Like, she's all into the greenhouses and all that stuff. So I'm being like her and give me like a little planter. So I'm excited about that. Took the camera. I left the camera in his truck and he went to get them some food. But homegirl back here eating all of my chips and queso. Look at her face, just full of stuff. And this one here decided to go to the park with her grandmother and got dirt all in her hair. So I have to wash her hair tonight. I was trying to put it off one more day, but she got sand all in it. So I'm about to go ahead and wash it. I'm going to show you guys this shampoo buddy thing I got off of Amazon. It makes my life so much easier when I'm washing their hair. I may do like a toddler wash day routine eventually and show you guys how I wash their hair and everything. But I'm going to go ahead and take care of that and try to style it and get this over with. It's literally 7:45 and I'm doing this. This is super late for me to be doing this on Sunday evening, but I'm gonna do it. Mike and I take vitamins every day, and I find it, this is our vitamin bucket that I keep it all in. But I usually put them inside these little pill thingies, and it's easier for me. Like, this is Monday through Saturday, and then my overflow goes in here. So it lasts about 2 weeks. As you can see, I'm kind of out of them. But what I take every day is turmeric. I take vitamin C every day. Micah takes this turmeric, that's his. I take a multivitamin here, and vitamin D, because when my blood work came back, I needed more of this. And then I also take zinc every day. So, and I also have to take a Zyrtec. I have to take a Zyrtec because I have allergies. So I take this once every day. So these are my pills that I take every single night that I take them. It's easier for me just to having to carry all this in my bathroom. I just put them all inside here. So I'm about to just going to refill all of these for Micah and I. And I do this usually every other Sunday because, like I said, this is good for 2 weeks. So yeah. Forgot to mention, I also take collagen every day. Collagen pills, and that is like amazing because my face was breaking out, like hormonal breakouts, since I'm not on birth control anymore and have my tubes removed. I was getting it every month. So since I started taking that every day, I haven't had any breakouts since July. So, but I'm out of it, so I gotta order me some more from Amazon. So yeah, that too, I take that as well. So today is hat day for the girls today at school, and I just finished the ending of my video on my hair. So if you want to see what I used in my hair, be sure to watch that video. I'm sure it's gonna be before this one. But that's my girls with their hats on for hat day. Y'all ready to go to school, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All right, so we're off to the day, and I will see you guys later. It is, what time is it? 5:33 a.m. Mike and I are about to go work out. I'm super tired, but it's a sacrifice, you know? So we're gonna go work out for an hour, get up. We keep the kids sleeping while we work out. So we bring our little monitor with us and we watch them. That second child we got, that baby, she always waking up when she wants to wake up. So we gotta keep an eye on her. But we're gonna show y'all today's leg day and cardio. So we're gonna work it out this morning.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Today's video.
That's your pose? Okay, you're gonna take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Today is Wednesday, and it is twin day today. So, where you going? Wait, where you going? I gotta show y'all. Mala has half of her rainbow, and her best friend Olivia has the other half. And Malia has half of a, show me shirt, Malia. Show me shirt. She has half of a heart that says best with her name, and her friend Kinsley has the other half. And they both have matching necklaces. Let me see. She has one side that says friends, and Olivia has the other side, and then Malia says best with a butterfly. So
Hey.
hey.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You messing with the dirt? Zoe. Zoe. And my sons are finally back home. They've been at their father's house since last week, so they finally decided to come home. So, my 16-year-old here, Alex. Aren't you happy to be on the vlog? No, he's washing dishes. He's doing his chores. My other one back there, Andre. It's been a while since I saw them, but my older kids are home. And my other 2 girls moved to Houston, so they're not here. But hopefully they come back home for the weekend soon. But yeah, so it's Thursday, and I guess I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. The goal is to get up in the morning and work out and just have a productive day. That's what I said. Today Wednesday. Oh, today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. My days are mixed up, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
It's Saturday.
It's Saturday.
And what you about to go do, Mila?
We about to go to my soccer.
She about to go play soccer. She has a soccer game this morning. I gotta comb her hair, get Malia dressed, and then we're gonna head out to go to her soccer game. So yeah. that was pretty much our day. That spaghetti sauce was pretty good. It just really wasn't very tomatoey like the ragu and pregu spaghetti sauce is. So my husband, Micah, really enjoyed it. I thought it was okay. I like more of a tomatoey based pizza sauce, spaghetti sauce, but to each its own. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog for this week. If you guys did, please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up. Right, Mama? Said, take thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to our channel, and we will catch you guys in our next vlog. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see y'all later.